Hello students, this is chapter number 6 in SST. In this chapter, we will learn all about the neighboring countries of India in detail. First, we will learn about the Pakistan. Pakistan is officially known as the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. It is situated in South Asia. It has a population of at least 191 million people. It covers a total area of 7,96,095 square kilometer. Pakistan is located on the western side of India. It shares its boundaries with the Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan and Gujarat. The capital of Pakistan is Islamabad. Like India, Pakistan is also a land of diverse landscapes, which includes mountains, deserts, plateaus, and coastal islands. Pakistan is home to famous Harappan site of Mohenjo-daro. It is also famous for the historic city of Takshila. Hockey is the national sport of Pakistan. Second in this is China. The official name of China is People's Republic of China. It is located in East Asia. It is the most populated country in the world with a population of at least 1.35 billion people. China is the land of the Red Dragon. China shares its borders with the Indian states of Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim and Arunachal Pradesh. It's the world's fourth largest country. Beijing is the capital of China. The famous Great Wall of China is one among many tourist attractions in China. China is also home to giant pandas. Nepal. Nepal is officially known as the Federal Democratic Republic of Nepal. It is a landlocked country. It covers an area of 1,47,181 square kilometer. Its population is almost 27 million. Nepal is also called the land of gods. Nepal is located along the Himalayas and shares its border with the Indian states of Bihar, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Sikkim and West Bengal. Kathmandu is the capital of Nepal. It is only country in the world which have non-rectangular flag. It even does not have an Independence Day since it never came under any foreign rule. Pashupatinath, Bodhanath and Swayambhunath are three main famous temples of Nepal. The official name of Bhutan is the Kingdom of Bhutan. It is also a landlocked country. It is located at the eastern part of Himalayas in South Asia. To its north lies China and India borders it from south, west and east. Its capital is Thimphu, which is its biggest city as well. Its official language is Dzongkha. It occupies an area of 38,394 square kilometer. Bhutan is the land of Thunder Dragon. Bhutan is located in the eastern end of Himalayas. It shares its boundaries with the following Indian states, which are West Bengal, Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh and Assam. The national flower of Bhutan is the Himalayan blue poppy, which is very rare flower. In this module, children, we learnt about the four countries which are Pakistan, China, Nepal and Bhutan. In next video, which will be continued, we will learn about the four other countries which are Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. Thank you for watching.